there are plugins, free plugins for Natron. You may have noticed on the left here, I have a few more icons than you do. Community, Ignite, okay? I'll show you where to get these. You search for Natron community plugins. You get as the first link, github.com/natronvfx/natron-plugins. Now, this is the page for Natron community plugins. You come here, clone or download, then you get the zip file, download zip file. Once you download it, you come and place it here in C drive, program files, INRIA being the institute that supports financial aid open source project Natron, and plugins, so Natron version, plugins, and PyPlugs. PyPlugs, this is the folder where you put your zip file and you unzip it. When you unzip it, you get Natron plugins master. This is the folder you want to keep in here, because when you get in, you get BL, channel, color. These are all by category. Now, if I go back, I go to community, BL, channel, color, draw. These are the categories, okay? So this is for the first one. Now, let's move to the next one, Ignite Express. This is from HitFilm, so fx.com. Well, it is free. It is free. fx.com is another application, okay, for video editing and effects and stuff. But this one is free. This package is for free. What you get here is free plugins. Get Ignite Express. When you click on that, you get, well, a little gesture, and then you download your application. It is an application that you install, and it is called, let me just go back here, try to find it quickly for you, Natron, and that is going to be plugins and projects, and this is what it looks like, Ignite Express, and this is MSI. So you just launch it, install it, and that's it. What does it do? It recognizes every single application on your computer that it supports, and it does support quite a few. It does support quite a few. So it supports a lot. When you see Nuke, it means it supports Natron. Okay, so Nuke, Natron being very similar, it does support Natron. So in addition to Natron, it supports all of these. So when you install it and you close and reopen again Natron, or actually any one of these others, you will end up with Ignite Express plugins added to it. Okay, this gives you a richer tool set.